In this Dart tutorial, we're going to create a new application and have a look at the main function. So you're going to select console application when you're creating the new project. I will call mine Lemubit Academy Dart. Once your project is created, you're going to see some default code. We would have a look at that code and I will explain what you're going to see. We can close all these files and views that we don't need. I'll close this project view so that we have a better and simpler view of what we're doing. Above, I will clear this package statement as we don't really need that for now since we're just looking at a basic simple Dart application. So once I clear that, then I'll clear this. So there we have it, our simple main function. Now every Dart program has a main function and that is where the code starts from. For the compiler to know where to start running from, you need that, and it returns void. Now, once we run this, you see hello world. That is caused by the print operation we have inside. Now, that has an optional argument passed in. This can be used to pass in values from command line applications. So it's a list of strings. You can perform operations like finding the length. Currently with this is 0. But that argument is optional. I can actually clear that and it will still run. Nice. Now let's try and make an application that doesn't have a main function. So I've created a new function called order method. If I run this, it still prints nice. But how about I clear that? If you look at it, it gives us an unhandled exception. That's to tell you that you need that main function. So I'll go into detail on other things I've been doing here. You don't need to understand everything I've done here, but what you need to understand is that a Dart application starts from the main function. Also, you shouldn't have two functions called main because, of course, the first one has already been named. The first one has already been named main. In the next tutorial, we're going to be talking about variables.